There are many products available to choose gardening tools, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best gardening tools from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Felco F2 One-Hand Pruning Shear. Don't let the price tag on the Felco F2 Classic manual hand pruners scare you away. While they were certainly a large upfront investment, these hand pruners are backed by a lifetime warranty and last just about as long. During testing, we found these pruners ideal for cutting through branches and shrubbery up to an inch thick in diameter in a backyard garden. We also found the sap groove an amazing feature to prevent the blades from sticking. The Felco F2 has hardened steel blades, a forged aluminum handle, and an adjustable alignment. The rubberized handle has shock-absorbing pads to keep gardeners comfortable. We did find that the F2 pruners are designed for larger hands, but other Felco models are available for smaller hands, like the F6. Users with joint problems may appreciate the rotating and ergonomic handles of the F7 and F8 pruners. Number 2. Wilcox 14-inch Digging Trowel. The Wilcox All-Pro Heavy-Duty Digging Trowel impressed us with its soil slicing ability and long blade. While its design could be less than exciting to some, we think the lack of metal seams or brackets makes it less likely to rust or wear in the long run. Although we tested the 14-inch version, the manufacturer also offers trowels ranging in size from 9 up to 18 inches long. The design is backed by a lifetime warranty, which helps justify the surprising initial cost. Beyond being durable, this trowel is very effective and can even be used in place of a soil knife while retaining its skill at more digging-intensive jobs. We also really enjoyed the depth markings located on the edge of the blade, which can be a useful feature for planting bulbs and seedlings. Number 3. Bully Tools 82500 and 1514 gauge round point shovel. On top of being a durable and long-handled shovel, the Bully Tools 82500 and 1514 gauge round point shovel is great for various gardening and lawn care needs. We have not had the opportunity to test this shovel, but we appreciate that the handle is reinforced with fiberglass, making it stronger than wooden and plastic options. The steel blade is more rounded than other options, which might not make it best for piercing through incredibly rocky soil, but its extended ferrule, the shaft that connects the handle and the blade, offers additional durability for especially difficult tasks. Number 4. 0G Ultra Flexible Durable Garden Hose. Although not initially a frontrunner, the 0G Lightweight Ultra Flexible Garden Hose won us over with its easy-to-maneuver design and crush-proof couplings. No need to worry about accidentally rolling over this garden hose with a car, since the couplings are crush-proof up to 900 pounds. This hose connected very easily to a spigot, and we found it easy to maneuver both when empty and full of water. We were really impressed by the actual house design, which includes an inner tube and a durable outer jacket that resists snags from thorny bushes and rocky terrain. While this hose is only rated for use above 35 degrees, we still think it's a great option to leave out year-round in milder climates, or you could pack it away if you experience colder temps during the winter. Plus, with extended long-term use, we've found that this watering tool still lives up to its initial lightweight and durable ratings. Number 5. Dramm Revolution Spray Gun. The Dramm 14506 Revolution 9 pattern spray gun is a powerful nozzle that easily rinsed mud off our Target Adirondack chair during lab testing. Unlike other nozzles with a squeeze throttle that must be continuously depressed, this nozzle has a one-touch thumb throttle. We found this not only much more comfortable to use compared to other designs, but it was also easy to operate and adjust the water pressure to what we needed. It's also available in 6 colorful options that make it easy to identify among flowering garden beds. The 9 different spray settings were also easy to switch among, and they were all well labeled. Despite being thrown down a flight of stairs during our durability test, this nozzle showed no scratches and was still in perfect working condition. Overall, with a lifetime guarantee, you can't go wrong considering this nozzle for your garden needs. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.